Now, if I wanted to invite learners or enroll learners manually to my course, this is something I can do as a course staff member or course instructor. It's something that I can do from inside the course in the LMS. So I would go to the course in the LMS, make sure that I am here viewing the course as a staff, and I will get the instructor panel here in one of these tabs, the last one of these tabs. So I can use the structure panel and go to membership. This structure panel will give me actually the information of how many users enrolled in my course. At the beginning it will only be the instructors, but then if I go to membership, I have this batch enrollment feature which will allow me to actually invite people into my course. So just by listing here in a comma separated list, or just by adding emails in different commas, in different lines, separated by different lines, I can add here the emails of the learners that I want to invite or include in my course. So let's imagine I wanted to invite these 3 different emails. I can do it by email or by username, but it's most common to do it by email. Then I have to specify what's the role of the users that are being enrolled in this course. It will most likely be learner, and I need to enter some reason here. So just for login purposes, it asks for one reason, and then I need to select whether I want to auto-enroll and notify. So if I click on auto-enroll, this is something I need to be aware of. If I click on auto-enroll, it means that all these learners will actually be automatically enrolled in the course, as opposed to if I don't click on auto-enroll, it means that they will be listed as invited to the course but not directly enrolled. So they will have to enroll themselves manually. So they will land in a pre-enrolled status, let's say. So normally for a typical invitation, it would be I would need to mark the auto-enroll feature, and then I have this selector of whether or not I want to notify users. So depending on my specific needs, I can click this and users will receive a notification that is coming from the platform, an email notification coming from the platform that says that a member of the staff team in the course has invited them to join to be part of the course. If you are okay with that email, you can test it first on your own mailbox to see how it looks and how it works for your needs. If you're okay with that, just enroll, and that will trigger the emails and the enrollment process. Or otherwise, you can not notify them directly and just enroll, and then just send them an email using a different channel with your own wording for the email if needed. So those are the 2 options, and they actually work very similar for unenrolling. So if I have, for example, this same student and for some reason I don't want to have him in the course anymore, I can just do the same process. I can either notify him or not. In this case, the first selection doesn't really mean anything, and the second one will again decide if the user will be notified or not that I'm unenrolling him from the course, and then I just hit on unenroll to get him out. You will normally get the result of the operation here. So in this case, the following users are no longer enrolled in the course. This is how you can invite people initially to your course and basically enroll them manually to